wish I could go to church and pray for them. Hope everything will be alright soon. Don't worry, we can handle this. No matter where you are, if you want to pray, all you have to do is to use your cell phone to watch the online church on YouTube or Facebook. With this streaming encoder, you can pursue your king whenever you want. Just go ahead. Just gonna pray. No matter what happens, God will always be there with you. Of course, if you're afraid of coronavirus, you can also pray at home. In that case, you won't have to worry about exposing yourself to the virus. But how does the encoder work? First of all, you can connect the camera with a streaming encoder. And then you need to plug a cable network into the encoder. After that, all the scenes filmed by the camera will be transmitted on YouTube and Facebook. In this way, you can participate in online church no matter where you are.
That hope and confidence is Jesus. Wherever you are today, I want to assure you that God's got this. God's got us, and that means God's got you.
Oh my God, I love it.